Alright, boys and girls, if you're watching this, we got the firehouse going off once again. But this time it's for a test. But yeah, I think they do this like, I don't know how many times they do it. I mean, I don't know how many times the siren goes off, but I know they had one this morning because they had an emergency or something. I don't know what it was, but they had some type of an emergency. So, sorry guys. But yeah, here's the firehouse going off. It sounds like a siren going off. Sorry guys. Yeah, here's the firehouse going off right now. So, yeah, they're doing some type of test. So I don't. Yeah, they do this every Wednesday. Every Wednesday at 6 o'clock. But it didn't. Today it didn't start until like 6 or 2 or something. So a little after 6. So yeah, this is the firehouse. It will go off for a little bit longer, I believe. So yeah. Alright guys, here's a zoom in shot, but the firehouse is slowing down. It's shutting off. Turning the sirens off. So yeah, enjoy. And I apologize for the birds in the background. They're just being annoying right now. So yeah, just trying to enjoy the sirens. So yeah, see you guys. No, yeah. Yeah, see you guys. Bye.